Hi, my name is Christina and I live in Lehigh. We had Utah Valley Plumbing come and help us with a laundry room remodel. We lived in this home previously, and when we came back to it, we decided that our laundry was not in a very practical location. So we were going to put it into a bathroom upstairs, but that was going to require a very extensive bathroom remodel. When Utah Valley Plumbing came, they helped us realize that the laundry could be put in our basement instead, and by putting it down here, it would save us thousands and thousands of dollars. So we did that, and they came over and they helped us with the piping and the HVAC vent, and it's awesome, and we could not be more grateful, and we would recommend them to anyone.